We start with a smart car concept. In our demo case, a regular car is enhanced with the STM32 Leaf Maple mini board, which is running a specifically written car application. As soon as the car pulls out onto the road, it starts reading our feed tags placed under the road surface, which serve as a replacement for GPS in our demo. For monitoring purposes, the car flashes its headlights while passing over another feed tag. Using the RFID tags, the car reports its location data to the Smart City Transport Authority application that controls the road infrastructure. This data then can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, the smart streetlights are requested to switch on when a car appears in the immediate vicinity, adjust their brightness to be sufficient for the current hour and traffic volume, and switch off entirely if there are no cars around. The streetlights are powered by Icona's EC19D module. Some RFID tags serve as geofences. After crossing one, the car notifies the smart house that it's very close to home. Instantly, the climate control system switches on to adjust the temperature as required before the owner walks in. After the car was parked, the smart house turns on the lights and other household appliances. Next to the house, we have a small garden with a smart irrigation system remotely controlled through a mobile application. You can trigger the watering process for the required period as well as keep track of the amount of water both consumed and left in the tank. The solution of this kind can be applied in many ways, from smart pots to garden irrigation and smart greenhouses. As the car is pulling away from the house, the lights are turned off and the climate control system goes into the energy saving mode. We are back on the road, where the traffic lights receive notifications about the car approaching the intersection. In this case, we assume the car to be an emergency vehicle. The traffic light instantly turns green to ensure a safe road for the vehicle at the intersection. The traffic lights are powered by Icona's EC19D in our demo. At the intersection, we have a smart LED board powered by a Raspberry Pi module, which is programmed to display Twitter messages with a particular hashtag or mention. With our application, we can specify which types of messages to display, at what speed and how often. In a similar way, advertisements can be configured to target specific consumer groups in the right place and at the right time. As we move on down the street, we go by a solar power station, which supplies our city with electricity. It is comprised of a set of solar panels and a dashboard application that allows us monitoring the amount of generated and distributed energy. Every new solar panel plugged into the station can be monitored separately from the rest. At the core of this smart energy concept are Intel